And if I let it go like over, I don't know, I don't trust my speedo, it doesn't work half the time, but 12, I can feel it. My speedometer does nothing. Just sitting there telling me 0 miles an hour. I wonder if that stupid thing came disconnected. Like everybody says it does. Nope, it decided to work again. Thanks for doing 37, 25, 72. Hey. This thing's all fucked up. Worked great last time, I think. All I really care about the trip meter anyway. Blah, 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 blah. What? I thought there was a... That was fun. Could have been really bad, but that was fun. Swamp in the middle. I don't think so. I thought we went down and took a left. Could have been this one. Doesn't matter. A day out on dirt bikes. We don't exactly have to know A, where we are, B, where we're going, or technically C, where is Brad? Hey, there's Brad. Oh, stay out of the water, dummy. But it's so fun. No. Yeah, remember this. Yeah, this is this one for sure. 2612. Ooh, I want to drop into that again. That was fun. I ended up going down it with you. Or maybe it was John looking for you. I went right over the same plastic toy you did. New play areas. Da, 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 da. Oh, be nice. Don't splash anybody. I'm talking to myself. I'm also talking to you. Inga bonga tang, lift the wheelies. Right, I thought we dropped into the left. I'll film you. I'll film you. Don't. I don't know where we're fucking going. What's this new hell? I look like he's having a hard time.
Slippery. Sure. Do I want to go? I guess you're going.
Holy shit, what was that? Ooh. I don't think I like this. Could be. You got time, take your battery out. Boy, this is pretty damn steep, I would say. That was decent. See, here's the part where I cannot get back on this thing. I am too short. There we go. See, when Brad does shit like that, this lets me know I'm gonna have an even worse time. I could see crashing here. I'm too short for this. Shit. Holy crap. Not slick, huh? Ah. Okay, commit. Okay, right into the logs. What? Where'd you come up with that?
It was dry.
I think I've hit that before. Well, this way. It's a shame there's all that trash. Yeah. It's further down this one. We can drop into the left. We came out right up here somewhere. I say we go to the bottom and drop in there. That was steep. Yeah, sure thing. That is a Travis and Stoss kind of affair. I wonder what they were cutting in. Whoa.